Hi, and welcome to Signal Centre. Effective strategies are at the heart of what we do. Our trade ideas are constantly monitored and managed throughout the trading day. We publish a daily strategy report for every major market. Buy or sell trade ideas are published with a specified trigger or entry level, 2 target levels, a stop loss level, and an analyst's confidence level. Let's walk through the platform so you can get a better idea of what we do. On the dashboard, we produce reports on multiple products during the day. This is on the most active markets across multiple asset classes. You can filter your preferences using the tabs across the top. From the Settings tab, you can also select your preferred language and highlight an audio alert for updates if you wish. Let's break down the different areas of the dashboard. First, we have the market. This is the product the report is focusing on. Then the class. This could be FX or foreign exchange, indices, commodity, or perhaps even cryptos. The next drop-down menu highlights the status. Let's go into this in more detail. Unless we see the status live trade, the trade idea has not reached the level where we look to buy or sell the product. Sell limit. This means we look to sell the product at a specified level higher than the current market. Buy limit. This means we look to buy the product at a specified level lower than the current market. Sell stop. When the product moves lower through our specified level, the sell order will be triggered. A buy stop. When the product moves higher through our specified level, the buy order will be triggered. Live trade. When the product reaches or moves through the specified entry level, the trade is live and the status will be updated. Close profit. We have closed the trade and made a profit. Close loss. We have closed the trade and made a loss. Expired. European and US trade ideas expire at 9 PM UK time. APAC or Asian Pacific trade ideas, they expire at 4 PM UK time. New trade ideas will be published for the next trading session. It should be noted that for performance purposes, if the trade idea is still live, then we take the closing level from the expiry time. Let's look at a report. Clicking on the trade idea brings you to the report where we highlight an annotated chart. Clicking on the full report takes you to a detailed trade idea. Here we highlight the reasoning behind the analysis. Updates will also be highlighted with a timestamp when the update was published. You can also note when the trade idea will expire. Last, we have our unique support and resistance levels. These can be seen at the base of the report. Thank you for your time and good luck with your trading.